The waves are so strong, I tell you. I'm just holding this, I can't let go. You can see there's some waves, so there are places where you feel like it's a bumpy ride. Yeah, so the bumpy rides along the way. There are times unasikia unarushwa, other times uko chini, but it's all part of the experience and the adventure. Yeah, so be ready for the bumps. It doesn't rushwa kidogo, but other times it's very smooth. But let's enjoy what's going on. It's not an adventure, right? Yeah, tuendelee na safari. You're enjoying Tanzania from Kenya from afar. So tumenusia Tanzania. Next time we'll be in Tanzania, hopefully. So keep sure you've subscribed and you like and turn on the notifications. Maybe tunaweza kuamua kwenda Tanzania tukiwa hapa. You never know. So subscribe. So now this is Mpunguti wa chini, alafu kule ni Mpunguti wa juu. So in Kisite Mpunguti they are different. So where we are going is Kisite, and then it is Mpunguti Island wa chini, according to the local language, and then Mpunguti wa juu. Yeah, so we are still on our journey to Kisite. Yeah, to enjoy the bumpy ride. So we are now at the Kisite Mpunguti Marine National Park. Yes, I'm going to take you through and see what is there. That's the entrance. I'm going to give you a price breakdown of everything, but we'll now go and see how to go about everything.
Hai tuko AWS hapa Shimoni. Hii ni Wasini Island, ndio hiyo tunaona pale. Normally we tunachukua boat from Shimoni tunaenda round, tunapita hizo two islands. This is Mpunguti ya chini, Mpunguti wa juu. Hiyo ni Marine Reserve. Straight to Kisite Island. Hapo ndio Marine National Park yetu. By the way, kutembea huko tutaona hizo dolphin, lakini sio 100% kwamba eti lazima tutaziona. Inategemea na bahati tu. Tunaona hizo dolphin, tutawapa nafasi muangalie dolphin, kumaliza tunakuja kwa hiyo small island ambayo maji yanatoka anka. When the tide is low, na hiyo beach hapo. When the tide iko high, ndio hizo wanawake.
So just walking. So we are here at the boat, about to leave for the marine park and then Wasini Island also. Yeah, so let's enjoy the ride. Wasini Island, the specific name is called Mkwiro. So I don't know whether you can see it, but when we get closer you will see it. This is the Wasini Island. Previously there was a hotel over there called Paradise Hotel, but for the last 15 years it's not been in operation. Yes, so because of the noise I'll write what I'm saying in the caption below. Yeah, but enjoy the ride.
Wanasema mpondoni.
We're lucky we might have gotten some dolphins, so let's wait and see if we'll have seen them. But we're lucky we are seeing them just jumping, so hopefully we'll see them. Just be patient. Oh, there. Yes, we have captured it. It's here. Oh. We will see it again. There. That's the dolphin. Oh, at least we have gotten to see it. But it's far from Kisite. Headed to the Wasini Island. So this whole place is Wasini. The Wasini Island, it even has a school. Some people live in there. Yeah, so that's how we'll be going to eat currently, the seafood. Look at that view. It's so beautiful from here. Now we are at the Wasini Island where people come to eat. And this is the view from here. Hii ni muogo wa nazi, alafu pilipili, alafu hii ni crab, alafu mchuzi wa nazi, samaki na mchele, alafu chapati. So after a long day at Kisite Mpunguti, you can head over to the beach, just relax and enjoy yourself, or just take a glass boat or maybe other motor sports within the beach. So that's it from me for the whole Kisite Mpunguti activity. Remember, the prices for this are 2.5 if you arrive early and you're able to get the shared boat, or if you arrive after 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. tentatively, you can hire your own boat, which will be a bit more costly, 6,000 to 8,000 depending on your guide, and it's also negotiable. Yeah, so that's it from me. Remember to subscribe. Stay tuned till next time. Kwaheri.